All right, now we're going to go on to the rest of the lab. We're going to do one bulb, then 2 bulbs in series, then 3 bulbs in series. Series wiring is when there's one route for the currents. So first we'll do 1 bulb in series. We'll measure the voltage across the bulb and across the battery. So first we have to connect. Now we're using the connections to make it a little easier. We're going to flip this to volts to measure volts. Volts is measured in series. Volts is measured in series, so it's set up to measure volts.
Okay, that's better.
Okay. Can you pick that up and hold on to it so that they can see the results? Okay. And we're measuring the volts across bulb 1. All right. What's it read?
2.668.
2.668. Could you also write that down, Tamara, for V sub 1? So that is V sub 1, volts, V sub 1. V sub 1, volts 1. And now across the battery, I will measure just here to here. Okay, and I can just hold it in place. Do we have a steady reading?
Not yet. 2.9.
2.9 for V sub B. So let's write that down. Oh, it became detached. I'm sorry. I didn't see that. That's why I was off a little bit. It came off here. Let's plug the battery back in and redo that measurement. What do we get?
2.78.
2.78. That sounds better. Now we'll do it with current. To measure current, we have to take this, move it over. It's going to squawk at us because it wants us to measure current, so we flip over to current. It stops beeping. Current is measured in series. So we were connected like this. We're going to disconnect and connect through the device. So I put the one end of the wire onto one of the needles of the device. The other needle I'm going to touch here, it'll turn back on. And our steady reading is
0.178.
And this will be I sub 1, 0.178. Okay. Now I can reconnect on this wire. Disconnect here where we're going back into the battery. Reconnect through the device. So the bulb turns back on. What do we get?
0.18.
0.18 for I sub B.